Actually, guys, I have a story. Kasi before going here, I had a very big opportunity to perform with Mr. David Foster in the Philippines. And sobrang napakalaking opportunity nun for me, and I didn't expect anything. Basta ginawa ko lang po yung part. What? Sample! Ay, pwede kong gawin, but di ko mapapromise kung magagawa ko siya ng maganda. Okay lang po uminom ng tubig bago kong magbigay niyo request. So you want me to try it here? Okay, try ko natin. Sige. Ito, like ko siya ng pichanga eh. Pichanga, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Okay, let's do it. Alam mo guys, every time na ginagawa ko yung kinakabahan ako, kaya maraming salamat kayo. Wow, thank you! Maraming salamat, Pachanga. I really love the support. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat bro.
Grabe!
Dahil dyan, nandito na si Kuya.
Oh my goodness!